Hi guys, this is EI.01. Today in this video we are going to learn how to build a simple water level detector using a breadboard. This type of project is very helpful for houses and places which uses water tank to time and know when the water level of your tank, and also when pumping water to know when your tank is getting full. That is why it has an alarm system attached to it. And if you're interested for the list of components and other links to our previous video we have covered, check below the description box. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you wouldn't miss other interesting video next week. And let's get started. This part is going to be used for a positive supply voltage, and this other part is going to be used for a negative supply voltage. As you can see, we have 4 resistors, and this 4 resistor is about 100 ohms, and they have no connection with each other. So we are going to need a transistor for this project, and what I have here is a BC547 transistor, and we are going to need about 4 of them. Place the transistor such that its base pin has contact with the 100 ohms resistor, and you're going to be doing that for the rest of the transistors. Place a 1K resistor to the collector pin of the transistor and doing the same to the rest of the transistors. Do you know why this transistor doesn't require a 1K resistor? It is because we are going to be using an alarm, and this alarm is about 3 to 24 volt. So I'm using a 7-volt battery, so it's not going to damage the alarm, so it's safe. So the 1 kilo ohms resistor there is only to limit excess voltage from destroying the LEDs. So place an LED such that its negative is connected to the 1K resistor and its positive is connected to the positive rail. At this third stage, we are going to need a different color of LED. In my case, I choose to use a yellow color. So this yellow LED is going to tell us when our water tank is getting full. And here we have the alarm that I'm going to be using. So place the alarm such that its positive is connected to the positive rail, and then its negative is connected to the collector pin. To check our connection, we have all our resistor connected to the base pin of the transistor, but here this other resistor was connected wrongly, so we have to change that transistor and place it rightly. So okay, now this is done well. So connect all the emitter pins of the transistor to ground, which is the negative rail for our power supply. And then if you're done, do not just rush. Make sure you do well to check all your connections so that you won't cause any harm or any damage to your circuit. These are wires. This is a level 1, level 2, level 3, and level is that final level? Yes. Place all those wires to the 100 ohms resistor, which is connected to the base pin of the transistor, stage by stage according to their level. I think we have come to the final stage. It's time to test our circuit, and if you're done, your circuit should look something like this. So in my case, I choose to use a glass of tumbler. You can use anything that you choose to. So you know, let's see what this circuit got. But I just pray this circuit does not have issues, because sometimes electronics could be very funny. Oh God of electronics, come and help us save our lives. Connect your negative to the ground, that's the supply voltage, and then the positive to the positive rail.
So it's time, it's time.
Filling the jar with water. Come on, wait a minute. What am I seeing? Oh my God, nothing is working. I knew it. Electronic is full of frustration. Oh God of electronics, come on to our rescue. Oh my God, I'm tired. If you have any idea of what I did wrong, you can always drop your comments on the comment section below and let me know your answers before I figure this out. So what I did wrongly was I didn't connect one of the positive wires of the power supply to the water so that they can have contact when filling with each level. Okay, so I'm going to hook this inside the positive row and going to put inside the water. Okay, it came on. Wow, 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 wow. So let's test this afresh and put that again back into the tumbler, and we're going to fill this again. Let's do this. Remember that each LED starting from this other one is the level 1 and the level 2, and this is going to tell us when our water is getting ready to full. And let's see, and then the green comes on. You can see the green is now on, so we have level 1. Oh, maybe wonder whatever, and then the second LED is going to come on. Wow, 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 this is working. And then if you look at this third LED, it's already trying to glue, and that is because the water is already close to its terminals, and once it touches its terminals, finally you can see that it comes on fully. And then once it comes full, we have alarm. Come on, alarm. Aha, exactly. So guys, if you love this video, do not forget to drop a comment, like, share, and also subscribe, and I will see you next time.